Welcome friends. In this session, we discuss the concept rank of a matrix. Before defining the rank of a matrix, we consider some basic concepts like minor of a matrix and so on. We also discuss the operations of elementary transformations on matrices. In the next session, we shall see that elementary transformations are very helpful in the determination of rank of a matrix. Minor of a square matrix. We now describe the definition of minor of a square matrix. Definition: the determinant of a square matrix A of order n is called the minor of A. Minor of order T of a matrix. We first recall the definition of submatrix of a matrix. Definition: submatrix. Let A be an m by n matrix, then the matrix A itself or any matrix obtained by deleting some rows or columns of A is called a submatrix of A. Definition: let A be a matrix. The determinant of a square submatrix having order T of A is called a minor of order T of A. Remark: from a given matrix of order m by n, we can form square submatrices of orders 1, 2, 3 etc. up to m if m is less than n, or of orders 1, 2, 3 etc. up to n if n is less than m. Hence, the minors of a matrix A of order m by n will be of orders 1, 2, 3 etc. k, where k is equal to minimum of m comma n. Example: we discuss the minors of the following matrix A of order 3 by 4. A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. Here k is equal to minimum of m comma n, which is equal to minimum of 3 comma 4, which is equal to 3, and hence we can have only minors of order 1, 2 and 3. Minors of A of order 1. Each element of A is a minor of order 1. Minors of A of order 2. Retain any 2 rows and any 2 columns of A, and the determinant of the square submatrices of order 2 so formed are minors of A of order 2. Some of them are as follows: A11, A12, A21, A22, A11, A13, A21, A23, A11, A14, A21, A24, A21, A24, A31, A34, A22, A24, A32, A34. Minors of A of order 3. Retain any 3 rows and any 3 columns of A, and the determinant of the square submatrices of order 3 thus formed are called minors of A of order 3. Following are the minors of order 3: A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, A11, A12, A14, A21, A22, A24, A31, A32, A34, A12, A13, A14, A22, A23, A24, A32, A33, A34. Rank of a matrix. We now define rank of a matrix. Definition: the number R is called the rank of the matrix A if it satisfies the following condition. First one, there is at least one non-zero minor of order R. Second one, every minor of order R plus 1 if it exists is 0. The rank of a matrix A is denoted by row A or rank A. Example: find the rank of the following matrices. First one, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5. Solution: for first one, since determinant of A is equal to -2 not equal to 0, A has one non-zero minor of order 2. Also, there is no minors of order 3. Hence, 2 is the largest order of a non-zero minor of the matrix A. Hence, rank of A is 2. Second one, since there is no square submetric of order 3, it has no minors of order 3, and hence the rank of B is less than 3. Now, B has the minor determinant 2, 3, 4, 5, which is equal to minus 2, not equal to 0. And since its order is 2, the rank of B is 2. The following definition of the rank that does not directly use the term minor is sometimes more convenient in deciding the rank of a matrix. Definition: the rank of a matrix is the order of the largest square submatrix whose determinant is not 0. That is, a number R is said to be the rank of a matrix A if it possesses the following properties. First one, there is at least one square submatrix of A of order R whose determinant not equal to 0. Second one, if the matrix A contains a square submatrix of order R plus 1, then the determinant of that square submatrix must be 0. Remarks: the rank of every non-singular matrix of order n is n. Since the matrix itself is a square submatrix whose determinant is different from 0. The rank of any non-zero matrix is greater than or equal to 1. The rank of a zero metric is taken as 0. The following example illustrates the usefulness of the above definition in the determination of rank of a matrix. Example: find the rank of the matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 7. Solution: it can be seen that determinant of A is equal to 0. Hence, R less than 3 or R less than or equal to 2, but rank is R is equal to 2. Since there is a square submatrix 1, 2, 2, 3 of order 2 such that determinant of 1, 2, 2, 3 is equal to minus 1 not equal to 0. Theorem: the rank of a matrix in which every element is equal to C not equal to 0 is 1. In particular, the rank of a matrix every element of which is unity is 1. Proof: let A be a matrix with every entry equal to a constant, say C not equal to 0. Then square submatrices of any order greater than 1 will have determinant 0. But the square submatrix matrix C of order 1 have determinant C not equal to 0. Hence, the rank of a matrix with every element C not equal to 0 is 1. In particular, rank of a matrix every element of which is unity is 1. Theorem: the rank of a matrix is same as that of its transpose. Proof: we note that for an n square matrix A, determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose, where A transpose is the transpose of A. That is, the value of the determinant of a square matrix remains unchanged if rows be changed into columns and columns into rows. Now, let rank of A is equal to R. Then there is at least one minor of A having order R whose value is not 0, and consequently there is at least one minor of A transpose having order R which does not vanish. Again, since rank of A is equal to R, every minor of A having order R plus 1 is 0, and hence every minor of A transpose having order R plus 1 is 0. Hence, by the definition of rank, we have rank of A transpose is equal to R. This completes the proof of the theorem. Next theorem: if A star is the transposed conjugate or conjugate transpose of A, then rank of A star is equal to rank of A. Elementary transformations. Definition: elementary transformation. An elementary transformation on a matrix is an operation of any one of the following types. First one, interchange of any two rows or columns. Second one, multiplication of the elements of any row or column by any non-zero number. Third one, addition to the elements of any row or column, the corresponding elements of any other row or column multiplied by any number. An elementary transformation is called a row transformation or a column transformation according as it applies to rows or columns. Notations. Rij denotes the interchange of ith and jth rows. Cij denotes the interchange of ith and jth columns. Ric denotes the multiplication of the ith row by a non-zero number c. Cic denotes the multiplication of the ith column by a non-zero number c. Rijk denotes the addition to the elements of ith row k times the corresponding elements of jth row. Cijk denotes the addition of the elements of ith column k times the corresponding elements of jth column. Example, the matrix 1 0 0 0 2 5 3 7 3 4 9 10 6 3 12 17 is obtained from the matrix 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 2 3 minus 1 minus 1 3 1 3 minus 2 6 minus 3 0 minus 7, that is by 1 adding to elements of column 2 the elements of column 1. Second one, adding to elements of column 3 2 times the elements of column 1. Third one, adding to elements of fourth column 1 by 4 times the elements of column 1. Equivalent matrices. Definition. Two matrices A and B are said to be equivalent if one matrix can be obtained from the other by a finite sequence of elementary transformations. If A and B are equivalent, we write A equal to B. Example, 1 0 0 0 0 5 3 7 0 4 9 10 0 0 0 0 is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 1 3 by 5 7 by 5 0 4 9 10 0 0 0 0. As the latter is obtained from the former matrix by R2 1 by 5, that is by multiplying the elements of row 2 of first matrix by 1 by 5. Theorem. Interchange of a pair of rows does not alter the rank of a matrix. Next theorem, multiplication of the elements of a row by a non-zero number does not alter the rank. Theorem, addition of a scalar, that is a number, multiply of elements of a row to the corresponding elements of any other row does not alter the rank of a matrix. Theorem, the elementary column transformations do not alter the rank. Elaborately speaking, the theorem is, first one, interchange of a pair of columns does not change the rank. Second one, multiplication of the elements of a column by any non-zero number does not change the rank. Third one, addition to the elements of a column, the product by any number k of the corresponding elements of any other column does not change the rank. Next theorem, elementary transformations do not change the rank of a matrix, that is, equivalent matrices have the same rank. Remark, through judicious choice of elementary transformation, it may be possible to transform the given matrix to another with a number of zero elements, so that one can detect a non-zero minor with higher order minors all zero. We recall some properties of determinants. If A is a square matrix and B is the matrix obtained from A by interchanging two rows or columns, then determinant of B is equal to minus determinant of A. If A is a square matrix and B is the matrix obtained from A by multiplying every element in any row or column of A by K, then determinant of B is equal to K times determinant of A. If A is a square matrix and B is the matrix obtained from A by adding a multiple of a row or a column to any other row or a column, then determinant of A is equal to determinant of B. In view of these properties of determinants, we have the following result. If the determinant of a matrix is 0, then its row or column equivalent matrix also has the determinant 0. Example, using the idea of elementary transformation, examine whether the matrix A is equal to 2 1 3 1, 1 2 minus 1 4, 3 3 2 5, 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 possess inverse. Solution, A is equal to 2 1 3 1, 1 2 minus 1 4, 3 3 2 5, 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 is equivalent to 2 1 3 1, 1 2 minus 1 4, 1 2 minus 1 4, 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 by R 3 1 minus 1, which is equivalent to 2 1 3 1, 1 2 minus 1 4, 0 0 0 0, 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 by R 3 2 minus 1. As all the entries in third row are 0, the determinant of the last metric is 0. Hence, the determinant of its equivalent metric A is also 0. As a square metric possesses inverse if and only if its determinant is different from 0, we conclude that A does not possess inverse. Now, let us summarize what I have discussed in this session. The concept rank of a metric has been briefly introduced. We have discussed the operations, elementary transformations on matrices. These elementary transformations are helpful in the determination of rank of a matrix, and we shall see this in the coming session. Now, try to answer the following questions. First question, show that if minors of orders r plus 1 and r plus 2 exist, then minor of order r plus 2 is the sum of multiplies of minors of order r plus 1. Second question, using the idea in the above assignment, show that if the rank is R, then every minor of order R plus 2, if they exist, is 0. Third one, using the idea of this session, find the rank of the following matrices. First one, 2 4 3 2, 3 3 1 4. Second matrix, 1 2 3, 2 4 7, 3 6 10. Third one, 1 1 1 1, 1 3 minus 2 1, 2 0 minus 3 2, 3 3 minus 3 3. Next question, show by considering minors that A transpose, A bar and A transpose bar have the same rank. Here are some books for your reference. Topics in Algebra, I.N. Herstein, Wiley Easton Limited, New Delhi. Metrics and Linear Algebra, K.B. Datta, Prentice Hall of India Private Limited, New Delhi. First course in Linear Algebra, P.B. Bhattacharya, S.K. Jain and S.R. Nejpal, Wiley Easton, New Delhi. Basic Abstract Algebra, second edition, P.B. Bhattacharya, S.K. Jain and S.R. Nejpal, Cambridge University Press, Indian edition, New Delhi. Hope you enjoy the session. See you next time. Till then, take care.